In this video, we're going to install a new theme for our WordPress site. Now, if you remember from the last video, what we did is we created a WordPress installation in a subdirectory, which is going to be for a membership site. So I'll be real honest with you, I am modeling this membership site that I think is just really fantastic, but we're not going to copy this exactly, but I was looking for a very clean and visual type of theme, and I'm very fond of right now the Thrive themes. And let's see if we can get to the actual theme so you can see it. And you have to excuse me because my cat Fred is standing on the keyboard and he's rubbing his head on the microphone. So if you hear some purring, it's Fred who's getting in my way. So anyway, I like Thrive themes, and I went to the thrivethemes.com website, and I want to show you what I have in mind. So there's a couple of different options. There's this one called Rise that I think is a very clean, very attractive theme. So yeah, I really kind of like this one because I like the way that the current posts show up like this. So this one is a definite contender. The other one that I liked, if I scroll down here a little further, is hopefully Fred is stepping on the keyboard. Sorry about that. Is this one called Lux. And I actually think I am going to use Lux. And we're going to change this quite a bit actually, but I like the overall layout of this, the way that the posts appear. And again, a very nice clean background. And we can do some fun stuff, I think, with this header area up here. So we're going to download Lux. I happen to own the license for all of these themes. You can obviously find some free themes. I like premium themes because they typically have better functionality and they're much easier to use. But you can use any theme that's attractive to you that you download from a credible source. So let me go download this and then we'll take the next step. So I went to my members area, I scrolled down till I found Lux, I clicked my download button, and you can see down here it's downloaded it to my desktop. Now the other good thing, and again the reason why I like premium themes, is we've got a link here for a tutorial. So once we install it, to do the setup, it's going to give us some guidelines and some information. In fact, they got some really nice videos on what we can do to make this theme really our own. So, but let's go to our WordPress site. And of course, now we're in the back end of the WordPress site. Again, this is the plain vanilla theme that we got when we installed. So now, because we want to install a new one, we're going to go down here in the left sidebar to where it says Appearance, and then we're going to hover over Themes and click the link. So you can see here, these are what was installed automatically, and they are the 3 basic WordPress themes. So we are good for this, but what we want to do is we want to add our own new theme, which is Lux. So we're going to click this blue Add New button. And we're going to upload that file. So I'm going to click the Choose File button. And I install that on the desktop. So it's here in the desktop somewhere because I got a lot of crap here. So there we go, that's Lux, and you can see it's a zip file. It's going to automatically unzip when we click now the Install button. It's not going to take very long. Well, maybe it is because it's kind of uploading slowly. You can see the progress bar down in the left-hand corner. So I'm going to pause this while it uploads, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, great. So we've just uploaded it. And we can see a live preview. Well, first of all, here's where you can see a live preview and you can decide whether or not this is actually what you want. Now, because we really don't have much text here, I'm going to tell you it's probably not going to look super great. Yeah, it kind of doesn't look super great because we just don't have any content right now. But keep in mind that we can make it look very similar to this when we've got some content, right? So we're going to go ahead and say, hey, it's okay. We're going to save and activate it because we're going to be doing a lot of work on this to make it look different. So there it is. This is what we've got right now. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And now when we go to Appearance, we've got another link here called Customize. And this is just, I'm going to give you a very quick overview of what the Customize bar. This is where you can start to make some of the changes. Here we can change our font. We can change the size of the headline font right here. We can change it from bold to normal. We can change the body text, which would be all of this here, and make it larger or smaller. We can change our colors. So we can change the background. Let's make it a pure white. So now that's nice and clean. We can change the color of links from the current blue to any color that we want. We can change the highlight colors, the headline text color. You can see right now it's sort of a dark, kind of a charcoal color. You can make a pattern on the background. And then when we look at the header, we can change, and we don't have a menu just yet, but you can change the menu link color, the menu hover color, say that 3 times fast. And it's got options for different colors here. So this will make a lot more sense when we have a little more content in here. And you can opt to show the logo up here or to hide it. See, it's gone. If you're going to use the image, you can change the width. You can change the header type. Here is where we've got our widgets. So the sidebar here, the main sidebar, this is where we can change. I can either maybe move search to the bottom. And you can see it's happening in real time right here. Meta, I might want to remove that completely and not have that anymore. And see, it's gone. When I'm done playing with my widgets, I can determine if I want a static front page or to use my latest posts as my front page. And here, of course, you can reset all the defaults after we've changed things. So for right now, I'm pretty pleased. What we've done is just simply installed WordPress. We have selected our theme and installed our theme. I'm going to save and publish, and you're going to see that this is going to change considerably as we go along because we're going to add more content and we're going to customize some of the things here, such as the color and the header, etc. So again, this is installing a WordPress theme, and it's installing from uploading an existing theme. And this is the customizer. And we have saved our theme. And if I want to come over here and refresh, this is our active theme now. And you can see that here we've got the Thrive Themes logo and we've got our sidebar. So now we'll move on to customizing this to make this our own and doing more work on this.